Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of OnePlus 8 phone, which is the most sought after phone in the year 2020, and it's a hit. It's an instant hit. So why are people buying OnePlus 8? First of all, OnePlus has its own cult like following, so it's amazing and very popular among the youth, be it the college going youth or even the business professionals or everyone in between. So everyone loves OnePlus, and about this phone, it comes with 90 hertz fluid display, which is amazing. Also, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which is 25% faster than the previous generation, and it comes with 5G, which is great. Although it's not in India and many of the developing countries, still it's pretty much good for next few years, and it's slim and sleek, which is great, and everyone loves that. And it has the curved design, which is quite popular these days, and it also has a 48 megapixel triple camera, so it works well for wide shots as well as narrow shots. So it's amazing for all the use cases which you may have, and the screen is quite huge. It's about 6.55 inches, which is massive. So that refresh rate is 90 hertz, which is just great, and it allows you to swipe, scroll, and navigate with ease. And yeah, so that is the best part about it. Also, the screen has the vivid colors, which basically feels like you are seeing things in person. So the basically this box comes with with the phone, with the cable. So you have the USB C type cable for this, and there is a back cover, and also there is the charger, and there will be a same tray pin. You will get that also in the box. So these are the things which you will get in the package, and you can just attach the back cover to the phone, and within this white box you will find the stickers and other materials which you can read and if you want, but most of these are ignored, so you just care about the phone anyways. So yeah, you can just check these out and see if anything which you like, but more or less that's pretty extra. So about the phone, so it supports Wi-Fi 6 as well. The next generation of Wi-Fi is here with peak speeds of up to 270% faster than before. So that's a great thing. So just in case you are into high speed Wi-Fi, this is amazing. And the battery is having the capacity of 4300 mAh, and it charges from 1% to 50% in just 22 minutes. So even if it is taking half an hour, it's pretty fast. And if you are buying OnePlus, then you may want to have really high speed charging, because you may stumble upon a place where it is in kind of woods, and you may not have the electricity or power supply nearby. So yeah, that is like a good charge which will last for a few hours, maybe about 8 to 10 or even 15 hours depending on the usage you have. So the speakers are massively loud, super loud. So if you are a music fan and if you listen to a lot of music, the stereo speakers, which are dual ones, they are extremely powerful, and you will feel that lively voice or the music or the sound of the speakers. So it has the Dolby Atoms support, and you can enjoy a cinematic 3D listening experience with it. So now let's just configure the phone. So first of all, you just power on the phone. That's the first step. So it will take a while to boot up and show you the first screen. So yeah, it's currently loading the operating system, and since it's the first login, it will take some time. Right now we will just basically configure everything. So we have to accept the terms and conditions, and then some more. I'm in next. So if you wish to connect with your mobile network right now, you can do that. I didn't do. I just skipped all of that just to show you the first screen. So you can set up the time and date, which is okay, and you can select a few things, the default settings which Google offers you. So you can choose to select or deselect. So for example, if you are too much concerned about the privacy of your location, so then you can just not allow those, or even this auto scanning of the Wi-Fi. And do you want to send anonymous data to Google just so that they can improve the experience of yours? So things like that. You may choose to disagree or agree, so it's all up to you. So while I did some of the basic stuff, accepted only a few important stuff, and then there will be a pin. Choose longer pins, for example 8 to 10 digits, so that's important. And then there are some gestures, and then there will be a fingerprint sensor as well, which you have to configure, and it takes a while to get familiar with your fingerprints. So longer pins are really important, and then it's more about next. So yeah, once that is done, you'll be shown your first screen of your phone, and it's pretty simple. It takes a few minutes to configure. So setting up pin and the fingerprints are two critical steps, because those basically define your security of your phone and the data, obviously. So ensure that you are doing that quite nicely, and make a note with the pen and paper, so that you will have it offline just in case you forget the pin, because it will be a longer pin. Never choose the 4-digit pin, because it's easy to break in. And then yeah, you'll be shown the first screen.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.